Hello, I'm Celine Williams, your favorite real estate broker in Washington State, and today I'm going to show you the most gorgeous home in Snohomish County. I'm in Lake Stevens, Washington, and it has spectacular views of the water. I help buyers and sellers just like you throughout Washington State, but also relocate to other homes in other states. So if you are looking to buy, sell, or invest, I'm your girl. Come take a tour with me. All right, let's go on into this gorgeous home here in Lake Stevens. As soon as you walk in, you're greeted by this very large foyer with a gorgeous chandelier. And this home is 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, 2,700 square feet on 11,000 square feet lot, brand new. Here is the powder room for your guests in case they need a restroom or freshen up before they join the party upstairs. And then this is a closet space. So it's underneath the stairs. So what a fantastic use of space. We have the hot water tank here. And then over here we have the very large garage for boats and car lifts, and a really fancy truck in here. And over to the left, we have a little extra storage too. So let's go ahead and go upstairs. A couple of beautiful details here. We have the lights, and I love the beveled edge on the stairs and luxury vinyl plank. And then over here, we have 2 cute little doors. And that's going to be your access to the crawl space. As we go up a little bit more, immediately to your left, you're going to find the door to the backyard. And then to the left, a very large walk-in pantry. And to the main level, the most gorgeous open floor concept with tons of natural light. So over here you'll find waterfall countertops, stainless steel appliances, soft close drawers, beautiful, beautiful details. Look at this. Oh, so gorgeous. And of course, all the appliances, documents. But I really love that they did this too, the little cabinets up there, because obviously you're not going to use it for plates and whatnot, but for extra decor. And then that beautiful vent. This is just a stunning space. And over here, you'll find a little bar area so you can entertain. And I love the detail that they have as almost like a backsplash with the wood and the mirror. Gorgeous light fixture. That amazing deck, which will go out there in just a second. A huge living room. I can sit here all day long. So let's go out to deck number 1. Bring table, some patio chairs, gorgeous views of the lake, a little alcove over here we can just chill out on. And that is not all for this floor. As we go down this hall, you'll also find a 3/4 bathroom. Gorgeous, huge mirror. And over here you can find a bedroom / office space. It does have a closet. And over over here, you'll find your utility room. So lovely. So in the comments below, please tell me some of your favorite things that you've seen as we've toured this home. Also would love to know, where are you watching this from? Maybe you're in Texas, Florida. I have a lot of people relocating here from Arizona too. Some of them love the snowbird aspect of being here in the spring and summer and then going back home to Arizona in the winter. But another thing I really love about this home is the light fixtures that they chose and how tall the ceilings are. So this is the third level, the upper level. It's a bedroom. Very, very good size. And over here is bedroom number 2. And over here is a bathroom for the main hallway. Toilet over here for privacy, along with tub and shower. Such gorgeous details. Right outside the bathroom is the amazing primary suite with double doors, tall ceilings, lots of natural light, its own balcony, which is amazing, amazing. Even better views of the water. But before we go outside, I want to show you this luxurious bathroom. So we have dual sinks. Just the attention to detail on this home is incredible. And then the full length closet mirror, amazing. And then a vanity, a dream. So get ready here, lots of cabinets for storage. And here we have a custom closet. Love this design, very minimalist, very beautiful. And then over here, you're going to find this huge soaking tub with more views of the lake and stunning marble shower. The builder did such a great job with this home, and it's built very well too. I've gone to some new construction homes that are, you can tell they've been built very quickly. Here's the bathroom, a little bit of privacy. But this one, you can tell that the builder really took a lot of time, paid very close attention to detail, and it is stunning. So here is the beautiful balcony. Views of the lake. And then over here is a little alcove too, so fairly similar to the other floor. Just getting a little closer to the lake views. And then you can also see how long your driveway is. Just a stunning home. So let's go ahead and head to the rooftop. Out here you will find the gorgeous rooftop deck. Wait till you see it. It's pretty amazing. It's huge. Look how gorgeous this is. What a perfect spot to entertain. And the views of the lake are pretty spectacular. And you're most likely going to see all of the fireworks in Lake Stevens. It's just stunning. So beautiful. All right, so that's the end of the tour. So in the comments, please tell me, what are some of your favorite things about this home? If you are looking to move to Lake Stevens and want to see this home in person, or any other homes near the water, on the water, I'd love to help you. You can contact me at 360-502-2123. Can't wait to help you.